if sine theta is equal to 1/4, and theta is in quadrant 2, which is right here, find the exact value of sine theta minus pi over 3. Well, this is the difference formula, so let's go look at that. For a difference formula for sine, then we have x minus y. Now in this problem, this will be the x, and this will be the y. And our formula says we're going to have sine x cosine y, so sine x cosine y minus cosine x sine y. So we're going to go through and plug in what we identified. We said x is theta and y is pi over 3. So we're going to have sine theta cosine of pi over 3 minus cosine of theta sine of y, which is pi over 3. Well, cosine pi over 3, sine pi over 3 is pretty straightforward. That's just off the unit circle. But sine theta we're given, but cosine theta we don't know. So let's go to sine theta is equal to 1/4. And remember, sine is equal to y over r. So then I'm going to take those and plug them in. I was just double checking my quadrant, make sure the signs are right. So I got x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. So x squared plus 1 squared is equal to 4 squared. So we got x squared plus 1 is equal to 16. Take the 1 over, comes a negative 1, and we get x squared is equal to 15. Square root property says we drop off our squared and we put a plus or minus square root on the other side. In quadrant 2, the x values are negative, so we're going to have x is equal to negative square root of 15. Now cosine theta is going to equal to x over r, and x is negative square root of 15, and r was 4. So we now know what cosine theta is. Let me just go ahead and write down sine theta again. Sine theta is equal to 1/4. Okay. Now if I draw my unit circle, pi over 3. Pi over 3 is right here. And this will be 1/2 square root of 3 over 2. Okay. So sine theta was given, it's 1/4. Cosine of pi over 3. If I come over here to pi over 3, cosine is the x part of a point, which is 1/2. Minus cosine theta. Well, we just said that was negative square root of 15 over 4. Times sine pi over 3. And here at pi over 3, sine is our y part, which is square root of 3 over 2. Now I want to simplify. This gives us 1/8. Negative negative gives us positive. And then square root of 15 times square root of 3 gives us square root of 15 times 3. And 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, well, they have the same denominator, so I'll merge together the top parts. And 15 I'll rewrite as 5 times 3. Then that times 3 just carries down. Now we're looking for a pair of somethings. Here's a pair of 3s, so they're going to come out in front. So we're going to have 1 plus 3 square root of 5 over 8. And that would be your answer.